Hello family, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Angela, and here on this channel I create beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, in particular for the woman over 40. Now today's video is not just for the woman over 40, it is for every woman of every age, and every woman of every size. Yes, this video is very size inclusive. Your favorite Angela Mashelle guest is here today, and Shadia is here because I wanted you to see these pieces, not just in various colors, but in various sizes. So everything that I have on today will be in a size 4 or size small. Everything that Shadia has on will be in a size large or a size extra large. Now, before I get started, I would like to thank Walmart for sponsoring this video. We greatly appreciate you. Now, if you like to see the looks, and there are quite a bit, I think at minimum of 10 different looks, maybe a few more, then stay tuned. Now, let's get started. We have this beautiful off-the-shoulder ruffle number. I love this. And what is our favorite thing about this dress, Shadia?
Has pockets.
Yes, and it looks great with this raffia purse, and those shoes just really tie in the look. It is gorgeous. That's a very, very comfortable dress as well. You'll see later I have on the same dress, but it's in a floral pattern. Okay, oh, I see you, Shadia. Okay. It's look number 1, and my outfit of the day. Is she not adorable? Look at the flowers on this. Get close so you can see. It is a beautiful, vibrant orange. It's flowy, it's comfortable, it's very tropical. This is a perfect throw in your bag on vacation look. Now, if you don't like the off the shoulder look, you could pull the sleeves up like so, and it would still look just as cute. We have Shadia in this button-up shirt dress, and this dress comes in multiple colors, and you'll see me in one later with a denim, and this is cute and comfy. It's thin, it has nice pockets, and it's something you can wear throughout the spring and summer. Easy, casual, throw it on with some sandals or some sneakers, and out the door you go. This is the same dress, but in the natural colorway, and I think it looks just as great as the striped one. It looks really good with these sandals, and this tan purse really set it off. Again, this is a nice, casual, comfortable, easy spring, summer look. Next item is this denim embroidered jacket. We've pulled the sleeves up, and Shadia has styled this with her Nike sneakers. I love this look. This is so her. The embroidery on the jacket, it has some green in it and tan, so it matches the shoes perfectly. And the purse, this is a really cute combination. You know, we're in Texas and we're in our denim era. This is a great look. Are you loving this, Shadia?
I do.
So this is the next look, and as you can see, it does come in several colors. I think I have it in this green and a denim look. And it, of course, again, comes in various sizes. This is so comfy. I love this green. I'm gonna see if I can get closer so you can kind of see the pattern on it. Has a little white in it, but it has like a military style top. This is really comfy, and I love the fact that it has pockets, of course. Now let me try on my denim jacket like Shadia did. So here's my denim jacket with the dress. I opted to keep on the sandals. These are the same sandals. These are from Walmart as well, that Shadia had on, and I like the fact that I tried it with the green. Again, this embroidery has a little green in it, and it looks really cute with the green in the dress. So this is the next look, the same as the last, but in this lightweight, medium denim. I think this is so cute. I really think this is my favorite. This is so comfortable. It's a nice thin denim, and like the other dress, it has pockets. I would definitely wear this with some sneakers. Next, we have this multi-tiered maxi denim dress. It has a little bit of stretch, and of course, as you can see, it has lots of movement. I love this dress. I think it looks great with these sandals, and it's a comfortable dress that you can wear every day throughout the spring and summer. You can wear it with sandals. You can put on some white sneakers or some colorful sandals if you like, but I love the way it's styled here. This is the next look. As you can see, this dress comes in multiple sizes. Now, this is a dark denim, but it's a light denim. It's not a heavy denim, so it's perfect for spring or summer. And it's just an easy breezy throw on. You all know I love me a one and done, okay? You keep hearing me saying that. But this is a cute version of a denim one and done. Next, we have this very cute denim dress. It has a lot of stretchy cotton in it, and it's nice and fitted. I think it looks great on look at you. The sandals look great with this dress as well. We've paired this tan purse with the dress because it matches the buttons on the dress and the brown in the shoes. This is a cute look. You can pull the sleeves up for a more cooler look, but we're loving this dress as well. I love the stretchy denim in this. Do you love it, Shadia?
I do.
So this is my next look, and I love this dress. I love the fit and flare of it all. You know, I don't have any hips, but this dress makes me look like I have some hips. And this is a nice, stretchy fabric, and it's really cute, and I like it in this dark color. Oh, let me show you the bracelets. The bracelets are from Walmart as well. And this chair is from Walmart. Next, we have this white crop top that is also from Walmart, and these green cargo pants with the drawstring bottom. They have pockets on the side, and they are so cute. Oh, Shadia is looking great in this. These green pants match her shoes and her purse. This is a cute Saturday morning. I'm going to the farmer's market, or I'm going to get something to eat look. So this is the next look, and this is how I would style it, with these black sneakers and a black top. The top and the pants are both from Walmart. I added a black purse. Let me just say, this is the perfect airport outfit. I love having pants that are loose fitting, that are really comfy. This has a nice stretchy waistline. They have cargo pockets, so I love to have extra pockets. Like, I would put my passport in this pocket. That way I know where it is, and put my phone in this pocket. I used to travel with a pair of pants like this, but they weren't as relaxed as these, and these are really comfortable. I want these in another color. They're so comfortable, but this is how I would style it. I love these pants. Well, that's it, family. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget, I will leave links to all of the pieces in the description box and as the very first pinned comment. If you see something you like, I would recommend you go ahead and click on that link and get it, because the sizes may sell out. Now, thank you so much for joining me today. I greatly appreciate it, and I want you to have the most blessed day. Bye-bye.